Hi guys, welcome to my channel and hope you all are doing good. So in today's session I would like to explain about the importance of small savings. So you all know about the savings and the return which you get from the savings. We all use different mediums for saving our monies and we have different methodology, different process. You know, each one has its own pros and cons, so I don't want to contradict on your methods, like, but the biggest problem everyone has is that everyone usually start their saving or investment with bigger amount. So if you wanted to invest, you at least look for 1 lakh to invest in any financial instrument, say mutual fund, stocks, bonds, or someone also wanted to invest in real estate, they need lakhs of money. So ideally what happens that they need huge sum of money to invest or just to start their investing process. But it shouldn't be that much complex. You can start investing with smaller amount. You can buy a mutual fund unit with 500 rupees. You can ask me like what is the benefit if I just invest 500 rupees. It will not give you the no immediate return, but if you look at the long term picture and how small savings of 500 rupees every month, it will make huge difference in your savings. So I will walk through all this process in the coming videos and in the coming sessions. So important point which I wanted to make in this video is that you can make huge money by saving with small amount. So it's very important concept, and let me show you how the small amount can grow over the time. Maybe I can use some compounding interest calculator in the website, and you can see that like how it is impacting in the long run. For example, say you are an investor and you can save 500 rupees per month. So 14% interest I assume is the average interest which you get from the equity instrument. You can use different financial vehicles which we can discuss in the coming videos. So I am assuming 14% interest. You can question me like which instrument can give that. I can explain you in coming videos. So for this purpose, only thing which I can tell you is that 14% is average interest in the long run in equities market. So I'm taking that as an interest rate sample here. And calculation period, I'm taking that as 30 years, and I wanted to invest 500 rupees every month, and I'm depositing that, and the compound will be yearly one. So whatever I saved in a year will be reinvested. The return which I get also will be reinvested. So let me calculate this, and let's see what will be our return. So I'm just assuming only 500 rupees. So let's see what will be the amount we will get after 30 years. So here you can see, so after end of 30 years, by investing 500 rupees every month, you can have 23 lakh 25,000 rupees. So it's really good amount, like instead of sitting with blaming that you don't have huge sum to invest, you can start with this small amount. 500 rupees can make you change in 30 years. So you should plan your investment and stay committed to that, and you should also be disciplined in what you are doing so that you can achieve this. Yeah, so here what we needed to understand is that how much we invest per year, and what is the exact amount we have invested in the whole 30 years journey, and how much return we have made. So 500 per month you will get around 6,000 per year. So this is the invest you make. So in 30 years you will be investing around 2 lakh 85,000 rupees. So your investment is only 2 lakh or 3 lakh rupees in 30 years. So the return which you make is that something phenomenal. So here I wanted to quote Sir Isaac Newton's word. So he mentioned that compound interest is one of the wonders of the world. So here you can understand that by making just 3 lakh with just 500 rupees saving every month and making it to compound, you can make around 18 lakh rupees in 30 years. So you can assume like what is the benefit of doing this for long term. But if you can have long term plans for your child, and you have some discipline to do that, you can really make this happen. I'm just calculating for 500 rupees. Let's go and calculate this for bigger amounts. Maybe you have capacity to at least invest 3000 rupees. Let's say you are investing 3000 rupees every month regularly. Maybe you can become a crorepati here, I guess. So like 300 rupees every year, every month. Let's calculate compounding it at yearly interval. So you can see that in the end of 30 years you can make at least 1 crore and 39 lakh rupees. So this 14% may look difficult, but it is an average return which you can make in the emerging market. So you can choose some better mutual fund or better ETFs and invest that. You can surely make this amount. Maybe you can have some doubt, but it's highly possible. So if you want to be a crorepati in 30 years, at least start with 3000 rupees today. So you don't need too much money to start investing. That's the whole point of this video. So just try with 100 rupees if even possible. I think units will not be available with 100 rupees, but you can start with 500 rupees. It's very simple. Just start. In 30 years you can make 30 lakh rupees with just 500 rupees investment. So just start today. That's what it's all about. Even if I start this investment by my 20 years of age, if I have some money in 50 years, that's really good. You no need to have unnecessary pressures, unnecessary tensions in the long run. So for example, here we can take how the investments of Warren Buffett has grown in the long run. So he is the one of the value investor. He is the one of the richest person in the world now. He is worth of around 80 billion. Maybe we can see how much his wealth has grown in comparison to his age. What astonishing thing you can understand is that compound his return by 18% of interest rate. Interest rate is something different, but the return he got from his investment is 18% only. But in the long run, by 85 years, he becomes someone who is really worthy. So it's long term process, but he has made that. It is not that much complex. If you have discipline and you are not committing unnecessary mistake in the process, you can surely make huge return. So in this video, in this slide, you can see that by end of age 26, he is worth of 1 million rupees. 1 million. So 1 million equal to 10 lakh rupees. So this 10 lakh has grown to 72 billion by age of 85 years. So in around 60 years, he able to compound his returns in huge way. So it is just done with the 18%. It is simply possible by mutual fund, but if you need to have the discipline like the Warren Buffett, he has the discipline to stay invested, to learn things and keep investing in the market, and with the return he got, he able to achieve this. This is still possible for the Indian investors. Still our country is young and it's still maturing. So in this process you can able to make lot of money in the companies which are invested in India. So start tomorrow, start today, but don't still thinking about the better investment. So you can choose any ETFs, any index linked instruments where you can invest money and you can just enjoy your life in the long term. Just start. Thanks.